They say aging is inevitable, that time always wins. But what if time isn't your enemy? What if it's your greatest teacher? Inside every heartbeat, every breath, every trembling muscle lies a message, a code written for resilience, regeneration, and rebirth. This is not about turning back the clock. It's about rebuilding the body that time tried to take away. Because aging isn't the end of youth, it's the beginning of mastery. It begins with the ground beneath your feet. Balance is not just a physical skill. It's your body's language for saying, I am still here. After 60, the muscles that keep us steady begin to fall asleep. But you can wake them up again with one simple move, the foundation hold. Stand tall. Shift your weight onto one leg. Lift the other slightly off the ground. Focus your eyes on a point ahead. Breathe deeply. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch. Repeat 2 or 3 rounds. The tremble you feel is not weakness. It's your nervous system rewiring itself. Balance isn't lost. It's waiting to be reclaimed. Strength isn't about lifting heavy things. It's about lifting yourself again and again. The glute bridge restores the engine of movement, your posterior chain. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Press through your heels, lift your hips into a straight line. Hold 3 seconds, lower slowly. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This move wakes your glutes, guardians of your hips and lower back. It builds the foundation for walking, climbing, standing tall again. Every lift whispers to your body, you still have power. You still belong. Aging tries to shrink us, physically, mentally, emotionally. But we were never meant to shrink. We were meant to reach. The seated reach restores what time tries to take, your mobility. Sit tall on the edge of a sturdy chair. Feet flat, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, exhale, reach forward. Let your spine lengthen, feel your ribs expand. Hold 3 seconds, return upright. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Each reach sends oxygen deep into your joints. It opens your chest and your confidence. You'll feel taller, lighter, more alive. Because every time you reach, you remind your body what hope feels like. Life doesn't move in straight lines. It spirals. From galaxies to seashells, everything flows. And so do you. The spiral stretch restores your rhythm. Stand tall. Let your arms hang loose. Slowly rotate your torso right, then left. Arms swing naturally with your breath. Inhale, turning right. Exhale, turning left. Repeat 10 to 20 times. Feel your spine wake up. Those tiny sensors in your back, your body's GPS, come alive again. Each turn tells your brain, yes, I can move freely. I am not stiff. I am alive. The wall in front of you isn't an obstacle. It's your mirror. And today, you'll push back against time itself. The wall press flow builds upper body power, strengthens the heart, and restores confidence. Stand 2 feet from the wall. Place hands at shoulder height. Inhale, lean forward. exhale, push back. Repeat 10 to 15 reps, 2 or 3 sets. Every push trains your muscles and your mind to move forward again. And then something changes. You feel it. A quiet strength rising within. You've rebuilt your foundation, reawakened your strength, expanded your reach, restored your rhythm, reclaimed your power. You didn't turn back the clock. You rewrote it. This is not about looking younger. It's about feeling timeless. Because aging doesn't mean fading away. It means growing into everything you were meant to be. Every breath you take now is proof that renewal never ends. This is your time to age smarter, to move better, to live longer. Because every day you choose movement, you choose life. This is not the end of your story. It's just the beginning of your Recode. Age Recode. Age smarter, move better, live longer.